Hi guys, we're back, and it was just raining and hailing. I think it's still raining, but I don't know if it's hailing anymore or it's not hailing. And we're gonna touch your hail ball. Come on. You coming? I want to touch it first. Alright, I guess. Oh God, guys, my shoelace is stuck in the door.
Right now, it's raining still a little. It's thundering and stuff.
I get him.
But for some reason, it's raining
No,
everywhere
no.
but our front yard. Oh, those things are okay. It was just hailing. Ice. Can you believe that?
I'm touching one right now. Guys, I got one. I'm gonna eat one, guys.
Oh, I don't want to touch this.
Eat it.
Oh, no, like that. It's hail.
Put it out.
They're actual balls. Imagine it just starts hailing.
Oh, again. I don't want it to hail again. So we're out here.
See, Buddy was freaking out.
Look at this. God, it's so wet. Oh, God. Hail balls.
Try to get that too.
I'm gonna throw it over there. The car. So good.
Throw it at a car?
No. So we're gonna play Minecraft, right?
Yeah. But, wow. It was just hailing outside.
I know.
And raining at the exact same time.
And,
But for some
and
reason...
this is summer. I don't get why it's hailing in the summer.
I know. Hailing is supposed to be when it's freezing out.
I don't know. It's pretty cold out here, but not that much.
There's a giant ice cube on that tree. Look. Right?
Where?
There. See it? Right? Look at the top of my finger. Right?
Wait,
There.
where?
See that right there on the tree, on the leaf? It's frost.
Oh my God, right there. Yeah, I was in my...
Whoa! I think a little water got on my screen right now. I'm sorry about this.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
It's like right here, guys. Oh God, it just got in my eyes, guys. Hold on. Oh, guys, I'm gonna go back inside. You coming?
See that? That is hail on the tree. Let's just stop. My cat's outside somewhere right now, so
We don't know where she is.
Funny.
Yeah, her cat is outside. You wanna go?
Buddy, come inside.
Buddy, come on. Buddy.
We'll be right back.
And we are not sister and brothers, by the way.
Buddy.
We're neighbors. My house is that way. And I'll show you my house.
You just made Buddy go outside. I'm gonna go walk down. I wanna go walk down.
Go all the way up. Just come up and he'll come. Oh, guys. The
I
Minecraft.
gotta walk to my dog right now.
What? Gotta walk him.
I'm gonna walk to my dog.
You're gonna walk to your job?
Yeah.
Why? Yeah, I'd rather call them before you actually, like... Guys, I actually can't play that good. Because I don't have anything to leave it on. So it's like, just look. That's what it's... Oh, guys, I gotta get it set up. Okay, guys, I can't watch this and then play. See, look, I can really move my mouse. I can, like, really move my mouse by holding the camera. Oh,
Hello? Hello? You told me to call you today and walk down to see, but I don't think I will get the chance to since it's kind of hailing out. So, yeah. Thank you. I'm going to try calling the other phone. See ya. Goodbye.
Actually, you coming to the thing?
1.
Spaceship. Just spaceship, okay? Guys, I'm gonna have to end this. I just want you guys to see the hails and stuff. The hail ball. Okay, so yeah. Bye.